What's up everyone, welcome back to Valvetronic Designs and the G87 M2. We've got one back here in the shop and we're going to be showing you guys a 4-part video series. The first part is going to be the setup behind us. This car has the stock rear muffler, it's got our titanium equal length midpipe, and we're going to show you guys exactly what that sound characteristic is like. In the next video, which will be part 2, we're going to put the axle back, the titanium axle back on, so it's full titanium with the stock downpipes. In part 3, we're going to be adding some free flow components up front, some free flow downpipes, and combining it with the single equal length midpipe and then the stock rear. And the last part of the series, part 4, is going to be the full titanium exhaust plus the downpipes. In each of these videos, we're going to show you guys all the sound characteristics on the same road at the same time so that you guys can choose the best setup for you. Our objective with this series is to articulate why the Valvetronic system, A, is very expensive, and B, is the ultimate sound configuration for the G87 platform. We've worked extremely hard with this car on the S58, X3M, and the G80s to deliver what is a truly unparalleled sound experience. So we're really excited. We're going to link below once those other videos are out. You're going to see all 4 parts in the description of each video so that you guys can reference what the best setup is for you. We're going to start off this video in our normal fashion. We're going to show you guys startup, revs, flybys, hard accelerations. We're going to put a GoPro on the rear bumper, and of course we're going to do some interior shots as well, so you know exactly what your G87 M2 is going to sound like with the ultimate exhaust configuration. I really love the fact that there is a AMG plate frame on the car that's rather spectacular, and this car sounds rather spectacular as well. I'm excited for this series, guys, and everyone has asked us, why is the Valvetronic setup the ultimate set for the G87? In this series, you'll find out why. Let's do it. Inside the G87 M2. These cars, so fun, but out of the box, the sound characteristics are really, really lacking. It's just not very exciting in here with the stock exhaust. Now, with the titanium midpipe installed, You get some nice drama, bass, and excitement. The overrun cracks are drastically improved. But the best part, of course, Valvetronic theme, guys. You guys know this. There's no unwanted frequencies, nothing in this car. It sounds like it's bone stock, no drone, no compromise. Everybody always asks, like, why is the Valvetronic so expensive? It's so much more than other companies out there, but this is not the system for the deal hunters. This is the system for that enthusiast that wants the best experience. Compare this system back to any other setup on the market. The sound is better, the quality of workmanship is better, and the flexibility is better. Especially this titanium setup, the material configuration really helps increase the rawness and exotic flair of this system. So that's why Valvetronic is on top. The car is still cold, so we're going to warm it up slowly here and then start to drive a little bit more exciting in nature. But right now, with the valves closed, with the titanium mid-pipe installed, it's so quiet I could whisper in here and talk to you, which is what we engineer. There's no compromise, and this is why the setup is on top. Here's the sound change. Woo! A lot more exciting with the valves open, that is for sure. And it has like almost an E46 level of not raspiness, but almost exoticness. You guys may have seen in another video, we made that car sound like an absolute zombie. It's crazy. Cut to a video of that car doing the flyby. That car sounds extremely exotic. And this car, we've learned what material configurations and design configurations increase the velocity and pitch of the sound character of this S58. So we're really bringing that sound characteristics for you guys to enjoy here in the mid-pipe configuration. And then later, once we add the downpipes, it gets even better. I'm excited for you guys to hear that as well. So stay tuned for all 4 of these videos. This is the first one. There'll be 3 more for you guys to enjoy soon. Here's some pops. A lot of depth, a lot of bass. It's really an enjoyable experience in here. My poor shifting technique. Oh, we can drive like that bus driver. And here is some windows down if you guys enjoy. I'll turn the AC off so we're not getting absolutely blown. Where'd they go? Oh, look at them, little babies. Very nice. Very fruity. No, not fruity. Fruity is the wrong word. Very He-Man pops and cracks. it.